Hello, today we are going to learn how to make a purchase for a customer. Very simple, very easy. First step, please make sure that on this top area here, the black bar, it says you're shopping with and your name as the distributor should be listed there. Otherwise, you won't get credit for the sale. Okay, so let's move on. Go to shop. Select the category that you're interested in, or you can click on shop all. Don't forget to always check out the promotions. We're going to click on shop all for the training purposes. We're going to scroll down. In here, you can purchase by category, or you can individually select the product that your customer wishes to purchase. So in this event, we're going to add V Asculex. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down here. Make sure that the retail price is showing and not your distributor price. Select the quantity of the products that you want. Make sure that you select a one-time purchase or subscribe and save. Remember to always offer the subscribe and save. You'll be saving your customers some dollars here and there. Okay, and if you scroll down, you can click on add cart. That is going to automatically place it in the cart. If you wish to place a second item, you go back to shop, shop all, and go ahead and scroll down and pick whichever item you wish to purchase. I'm going to get the Neuro Cafe. Scroll down. Same thing, make sure your quantity is correct and make sure that you have selected one time or subscribe and save. Okay, so make sure that is selected properly and then go ahead and click add to cart. The order is done. The customer only wants those two items. We're going to go into the cart. You're going to see that I have other items in the cart because it remembers what you put in there from a previous order. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the other items that I didn't want, right, that the customer didn't want. And then on the right-hand side, you're going to see the grand total is $94.50. You can go ahead and click on checkout. And in this area, you'll be able to enter your customer's email, their delivery information, shipping address, phone number, email, very important, okay? And you can select save this information for next time, text me with news, depending what the customer wants. Okay, credit card information goes in here, and then you go ahead and click on Pay Now, and you will receive a confirmation on the screen that the order has been processed and it will be shipped out as soon as possible. Congratulations, you just placed your first customer's order. See you on the next module.